I've got 4 words for you guys. It's time to cook. All right, so if you don't understand the reference, go ahead, log off. You don't need to watch the video anyway. Today we are making Blue Sky from the very, low-key show Breaking Bad. I just finished Better Call Saul, extremely late. Got me in a Breaking Bad mood. Now I'm getting ready to gear up and watch all the Breaking Bad, I almost said movies, episodes, seasons, whatever you want to call it. And I was like, you know what I need? I need a great drink. And what better drink to pair with Breaking Bad than Blue Sky? Let's make it. Here's what you're gonna need today. You are going to need a quality vodka, blueberries, fresh or frozen, blue curacao, it's Blue Sky. Come on guys, you know I'm using blue curacao. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of blue food coloring. I got a lime over here. And the final secret ingredient is my favorite flavor of Red Bull, coconut Red Bull. Now meth gets you going, gets you buzzed. I don't know how much caffeine or whatever jittery energy is in meth. I would imagine it gives you a very similar feeling to the feeling you get from coconut Red Bull when you're all jittery from not having eaten in 2 days and pounding caffeine. So that's what you're gonna need. Let's make it. So we gotta start with a vodka. Now, I'm gonna be honest. I made this drink recently and I used the Dos Hombres Mezcal. Not good, guys. Not good at all. I mean, I feel like it's dramatic. It does the job, especially in a mixed drink like this, but I don't think it's worth your time or your money. It's a premium price because of the celebrities on it. Bryan Cranston, Aaron Paul, you guys are great actors. What you guys are not is great mezcal makers. Sure, you bought a little farm, you paid people to do it, you didn't do it the right way. There's a lot of additives in there. Don't do it, don't buy celebrity liquor. Just get the good stuff. If you did want to make this with the mezcal instead of doing something gross like the Dos Hombres, unfortunately that's all I have right now, so I thought vodka would be better. I really like El Silencio. Great brand, just easy for me to get. Anyway, let's toss in that ounce of blue curacao. I'm using a couple of fresh, never frozen blueberries. Because they're frozen, I'm just gonna use like 5 of them. You don't really need to muddle them. They're gonna get obliterated by that ice, trust me. Trust me. And for our final ingredient, we are going to get juice from half of a lime. Always roll your lime, make sure it's nice and delicious. And today I'm feeling a little bit more professional. So we're gonna see just how much lime juice this yields so we can be a little bit more accurate with our, you son of. So that we can be more accurate with our measurements. I'm nailing it. It's going right in there. I got it. Okay, so there we go. An exact ½ ounce of lime juice, just what we need. Now, normally you're thinking, hey, why isn't he tossing ice in there? That's because we gotta do the next step first. So what we want to do is grab our sugar. I'm using cane sugar. Use any sugar you want. Toss on a plate, just like that. Next, you'll want to grab your blue food dye. You just need 3, 4, maybe 5 drops. I'm doing 4 today, apparently. We're making blue sugar. Probably should have said that first. We need to garnish this with something blue and beautiful. There's not a lot of blue things in nature, so what we're doing is we're making our own blue sugar. I think it's so funny. If I don't give the context of this, people are like, whoa, how do you get blue sugar? And it's like, how do you get blue candy, blue anything? It's just dye. Nothing exciting to that. But it sounds way cooler if I say blue sugar than blue dyed sugar. Now remember that lime we just squeezed? Take that lime and go all along the side of your glass. And now we can rim it in blue sugar. Give it a little smack. Blue persuasion right there. We all like perfectly rimmed glasses. I'm gonna show you just how to rim this like no one else. I'm the best rimmer out there, guys. Take a little paper towel, you go all the way around like that. You get a clean edge this way. Back to our beautiful Blue Sky cocktail. Let's crack a large cube in here. I just talked all this trash about how great my cubes were, and how much easier they were to break. Let's shake this up. Now we double strain over ice. Those are some dark blueberries. What the heck is that about? It doesn't look like Blue Sky at all. I'm a little embarrassed. These blueberries are dark as can be. I just made this days ago, guys. I'm gonna link the short below, but let's add in our, oh my gosh. I don't know what Walmart did with these blueberries, guys. I'm gonna pull up a picture. Check it out. Okay, slightly edited, right? But I swear on my life, the blue sky I just made was so much lighter blue. I don't know what it is about these Walmart blueberries. It says the only ingredients are organic blueberries. They are a completely different color. So I promise I'm not delusional here. I made a great drink like a month ago with just regular blueberries. So I'm not gonna remake this. All I'm gonna say is if you make this at home, use fresh blueberries and dude, that's crazy. I'm upset, but you know what would calm me down? A little bit of booze. And it still tastes amazing. Okay, I know the color's not there. I swear on my life, guys, I swear to you. Use fresh blueberries and this is gonna be delicious. Don't use fresh blueberries, use organic ones if you want dark purple navy sky. What would you do if you were me? Did I get close enough? Ah, that's crazy, I'm upset. I'm linking the short below, guys. I'm linking the short. You're gonna see it. You're gonna see how great this drink normally looks. I'm gonna blame it on the lighting. We're gonna fire the camera guy. Honestly, just mask this and track it. Make this like artificially blue. Let's like hold it up. Let's like, okay. Now it looks perfect. So there you go, guys. This is my failed attempt at blue sky. I mean, it's delicious. It just wasn't it today. I don't know what happened. I'm embarrassed. I gotta end this video. Guys, leave a comment. Even if it's a hate comment, I would appreciate it at this point because this is crazy. Don't forget to leave a like, share with somebody, anybody, maybe nobody because it's terrible, and definitely subscribe.